HPLC chromatography, in the previous sessions, we discussed more about types of chromatography and basics of chromatography. Now comes to the setup of the chromatography. Let us talk about the parts of the chromatography, parts of HPLC instrument. First, right from the mobile phase port, it is having 4 mobile phase ports over there. One is mobile phase A. You can call it as pumps, flow pumps also. Mobile phase A, pump B, pump C, pump D. What is the rule of pump A? Means you put the mobile phase, whether it is isochrotic. If it is isochrotic, the mobile phase A, that pump line will be there in the mobile phase A. So if it is gradient program, more than one mobile phase, then you put that mobile phase A, B, if necessary, C also. Okay, mobile phase A, B, if it is gradient, A, B, if it is isochrotic, A. Then what is the role of C and D? There you go, you are discussing about column washing or column saturation or mobile phase stabilization. These are the terms. By using which solvent you are doing mobile phase stabilization, which it is matters now. So what is the role of solvent combination for the seal wash and needle wash? In waters, comes to water HPLC, role of needle wash and seal wash. Seal wash, it is having aqueous content more compared with organic content. Take 80% of water, 20% of organic solvent. It is a combination of seal wash which is helpful for cleaning all the seals of the HPLC instrument. When it comes to needle wash, what is needle wash? Needle wash is for the purpose of washing the needle and as well as injector ports also. This is needle wash. Comes to the ports of HPLC, mobile phase A is mainly for mobile phase. If it is gradient, mobile phase B also included. For the C port, you put needle wash. For the D port, you put seal wash. And before setting up of an instrument, HPLC instrument, it is very important to remove the previous carryovers of previous analysis which is being performed in that HPLC instrument. How you remove that buffer depositions in the instrument? How you remove that buffers or salts which has been struck out in the instrument, which is not eluting? So for that you need to flush the system with the water, purified water or hot water. What happens when you flush your system with hot water? When you flush your system with hot water, the buffer depositions or salt depositions are there. It will directly dissolve and it will come out through the drain. It will come out through the drain, and the proper flushing of the instrument is main important before starting of the HPLC analysis. When it comes to the related substances or assay, what are the tests you are performing? You need to flush your system and you need to eliminate all the contents which is not needful for your present analysis. Flushing of the instrument and purging of the instrument and proper saturation of the mobile phase and proper washing of the column and proper washing of the detector is also very crucial important before you are starting your system. So friends, I am concluding this video with this, and in the next session we will discuss about performance of the HPLC analysis, like related substances, assay, and different tests and applications of HPLC in pharmaceuticals and in different fields. So I am concluding. Thank you.